Yo, what's going on, rollers? How y'all doing? All right, it is 1:10 a.m. I'm laying in my bed. My driver is back for a few days, so I'm like, okay, why not do Amazon Relay? Really didn't expect Postal Truck to come through because I set my alarm for 2 a.m. that if nothing came through, I was going to turn off Postal Truck. So it was like 12 o'clock, something comes through. It's going 100 miles to Cartersville. We're making 2 stops actually. So let's go ahead and make this $437 real quick, y'all. I'm gonna take y'all on the journey with me. I'm so happy to be back with y'all. Not happy to be doing Amazon, but because we're over the road now. But let me go ahead and get my truck all get together and leg up. All right, y'all, so you want to make sure that you're doing pre-trip inspections to check your tires, check your fluids, check your lights, make sure everything is in compliance, and make sure that you can catch anything like a nail in the tire, God forbid, a flat tire, fluid lowage, low fluids. Catch all that before you hit the road. Very important.
I just don't understand what we went wrong. I gave you my heart. I gave you my soul. I gave you.
Mama always told me to be careful who I love, and Daddy always told me make sure he's right. I always had my eyes on this one particular guy. I was too shy, so I decided to write. I'm sending him a 4-page letter, and I enclosed it with the key. Right then, he better get it on time. I'm sending him a 4-page letter, and I enclosed it with the key. Right then, he better get it on time.
As a matter of fact, I was the one who said I loved you first. It was about 8 years ago. Don't act like you don't know. We were sitting at home in your mama's living room, 'cause you wouldn't be alone. See, your mama knew I was something else. She knew how I felt. Back then we were in school, and that's your favorite excuse. See, growing up I was a fool, and I can't lie, I'm missing you. Listen and don't trip. I think I need a bottle with a genie in it. It's my wish list. I will create a heart-changing life. I'll take yours and they'll lead us. But I don't need a lot of wishes, 'cause I'll be okay if I get one. If I had one wish, we'd be best friends. Love would never end, it would just begin. If I had one wish, you'd be my rule. Promise to love you, trust me, I'll trust you. If I had one wish, we'd
All right, thank you. All right, y'all. So I am. I'll talk when I get there. Hold on one second.
And I enclosed it with the key. Right then, he better get it on time. I'm sending him a 4-page letter,
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out.
All right, y'all. So this is my freight. I don't think not all of these are my freight, but what I did, I consolidated some of the loose items into this one right here. So basically broke a pallet down. Well, I didn't break a pallet down, but I consolidated some stuff, loose items, all into this big box right here. That is how I'm able to use a 24-foot truck for a 26-foot load. Bang, make it work.
Difficult.
All right, so as y'all can see, I have a very full truck. Actually, I'm leaving something behind that has nothing to do with me though. Very full truck. All right, let's check out. All right, y'all, so this is the predicament that I'm in now. So as I'm literally walking to check out, it says your load has been canceled. Literally a full truck. Your load has been canceled. So what they said was, I guess they had contacted ROC on it. They contacted ROC because the load had accidentally been rejected. So they'll be contacting me in about 10 to 15 minutes to like reassign it back to me. But I'm gonna most definitely be requesting detention pay because y'all wasted my time at this point. So I'll keep y'all updated with everything. All right, y'all. So they had to reassign me the load and they added some extra dollars on it. So what happened was when they reassigned me the load, all the scans left my phone. So I was like, I'm not about to take everything off my truck to scan it again. But thank God that the man was able to do something on his computer and then just scan the barcodes from the computer. So y'all, this is my first time doing Amazon Relay in a while. I don't miss it. I don't miss it not one bit. I don't miss it not one, but that's just how it is. Sometimes you have great days, sometimes you have bad days. So anyways, y'all, we are heading to our first stop, which is in Cleveland, Georgia. It is 90 miles away from where I'm at right now in East Point. So I'm gonna have to stop and get gas and all that good stuff. So I'm not supposed to be there until 5:49. GPS says 5:03, so. Oh, y'all. See y'all in a few.
Never fall
gas stop. Ooh, look at the do-rag. Niggas, get it together, brother. Anyways, gas is $4.35 here. Cheapest I paid in a minute. $4.35. And I'm also using Get Upside for 12 cents back. If y'all haven't used Get Upside, check out the link in my description. I'm telling y'all, let's giving you cash back. Don't sleep on Get Upside. Don't sleep on Get Upside, okay? I just signed up like a month ago maybe, and I got $11.10 back. That's gonna add up, bro. I'm trying to tell you. And this pump is still going. Look, can't even pump them on this side, y'all. This is sad. This is just one side, y'all. It's one side. I still got the left side to do. And y'all, this is why it's so important not to take cheap freight, because I just spent $125 on one side of my tank, and I'm filling up the other half right now, and it's probably gonna be another $125. So don't take cheap freight. I'm making sure that this pays over $4 a mile. This load is actually paying $4. Originally it was $4.13 a mile, but then since of the mishap, they're paying me $4.26 a mile. So I'll be making I'll be making at least $2 a mile. At least $2 a mile because of the deadhead going back. So this fuel, I'm telling y'all, and make sure y'all get y'all fuel cards. I got A to B, and I'm getting another one as well. So yes, y'all. See, it's at $73 and it's still going. All right, we full, y'all. Let's get back on the road. All right, y'all, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I don't like this road.
At the next lights, turn right.
I don't like this road. It's very windy and narrow, and I don't know, like the corners literally creep up on you. Like as you can see, you can't really see down what's next, you know what I mean? So I'm just taking my little time. I'm ready to get back to Atlanta, to be honest with y'all. I am not, like, I don't know what's next. Y'all know what's next? Because I don't know what's next. It's not like I know around here. So, don't even see. I don't like this at all, y'all. I don't like this at all. But it looks like we're coming up on a light, and I make a right at this light. Woo! Y'all see how dark it is around here? Georgia got some dark roads, baby. Georgia got some dark roads. Woo! Y'all, this is literally the darkest freaking place I done ever in my life been. Well, look, won't you have it? There's another truck here already. Yo, I pray to God. Y'all know I ain't got no little lift gate, so these folks better have a little ramp or something. Because I am not. Oh God, how can I do? Alright, y'all. I'm at my first destination. I don't even know. Is there like another? I don't even know, y'all. Is there another thing to go into or no? Or is that the only one? No? I don't know. Is there another thing? It doesn't look. Y'all, I'll be back. All right, y'all look really dark right now, but I'm sorry I didn't get as much footage that I wanted to do as unloading. One, I'm running late. Two, my tripod broke. But we're on our way to our second stop now. I'm unloaded on the first one. See y'all in the next stop. Deuces.
Outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas from
Washington State.
Alright.
Arrived.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT.
Alright, y'all, so I just finished my last drop. Like I said, my tripod is broken now because I left it in a box with all the other stuff. But finished unloading, y'all. It is now 6:43 a.m. My ETA to my destination is 8:13 a.m. So I'll see y'all on the flip side.
Two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, ride or they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying like butter. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off.